Welcome everyone, this is Samir here from Samir's Review Room. Today we are going to review the 75-inch powerhouse designed for those who demand more from their TV screen. This is 75-inch iFFALCON by TCL U75 4K Ultra HD Smart Google TV. This TV has tons of features at a very affordable price point, which we are going to test and review in this video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with today's video. This is actually the retail unit that I got, so I'm going to show you the quick unboxing of it and what we get inside the package. So this is kind of packaging we get. It is properly secured. After opening the box, you can see the first thing where you get is the accessory kit, in which you get the remote control, battery is provided in it, wire cables, then there are the user manuals and booklets, and there are the 4 screws to secure the tabletop stand which we get with this, and finally is the main TV unit. So the first point is this TV is available in 3 sizes. First is 55-inch, second is 65, and third is the 75-inch which we have currently with us. So you get to choose from 3 options of screen sizes based on your requirement and the room size where you want to fit this TV. Now let's start with the main review. So first point is the physical overview. This TV features a metallic bezel-less design, providing a seamless edge-to-edge display. You can just see how thin of a bezel this TV has. The profile of the unit is relatively thin for the size as well. On the back panel, all the key connections are organized for the convenient access. It has 4 HDMI ports with one supporting 145Hz variable refresh rates. Then it has a single USB port, one RJ45 LAN, one antenna port, and one headphone jack. So this TV has got all the necessary ports which are needed. Now coming to the most important part of the TV, that is the picture quality, which is the first thing that you're going to notice. The stunning visual starts with 4K Ultra HD display and are further perfected with the support of both Dolby Vision and HDR10+, ensuring cinematic contrast and color in every scene. As soon as you start a supported video, you'll get to see on the top left corner there is message. Further, this display features a wide color gamut capable of displaying up to 93% of DCI P3 standard. There are multiple eye care features, reducing strain through low blue light and flicker-free waving. Plus, wide waving angles ensures everyone in the room enjoys the same vibrant experience. No matter from what angle you are waving the TV, you are going to get the same top-notch waving experience. Now coming to the one of the key hardware, that is this sound. The 30-watt sound output is enhanced with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, creating a 3D sound stage. Sound appears to be coming from all around you, providing depth into the story whether you are watching a movie or listening to your favorite song. Demo of the sound coming in just few seconds. Before, I'd like to mention just one key observation that I noted in my testing. No matter the sound volume, whether it is 15, 20, I didn't need to go it beyond 30% in entire of my waving experience. So that good of a sound is and that clear it is. So here we go with the quick sound test.
महाभारत एक ऐसे महायुद्ध की कहानी है जब सारा भारत धर्म और कर्म का फैसला करने के लिए एक जगह जमा हो गया था। कौरव और पांडव और क्षेत्र में कोई पक्ष कम नहीं था। 18 दिनों के महासंग्राम में 18 योद्धा और उनके साहस की 18 कहानियां।
Now coming to the brains of the TV, this TV is powered by AiPQ Pro Processor, a chip designed to enhance image quality. It incorporates several algorithms including AI Clarity. AI Clarity basically upscales the lower resolution to a stunning 4K. Then further, AI Color dynamically calibrates every frame for true vibrant tones. And with AI Contrast, bright and dark details are perfectly balanced, so you can see every single details of it. Finally, AI Motion uses MEMC to reduce blur and tearing, which is beneficial for the fast-paced content. A great TV is about more than just a picture. Running on a Google TV OS, this platform learns what you love to watch, offering tailored recommendations so you are never left searching. And with hands-free voice control, all you have to do is say, "Hey Google, find action movies," and let the TV do the rest. There is also a TCL channel given in this TV, the feature which is quite handy. It has its dedicated homepage with the all recommendations. Apart from that, you have a live content watching option where you can view the news, entertainment stuff, etc. Next, you have the screensaver option, which is a quite Useful feature I found: when the TV is on the idle mode, you can select from the 3 options. This acts as a gigantic 4K display art piece in your living room when you're not using the conventional TV. Another interesting feature that you get is this Magic Connect. So with the help of this, you can just see the phone is paired with the TV. You can use it as a remote control and it works flawlessly. There is absolutely negligible lag. Further, you can cast your smartphone. You can see it is also quite responsive. There is slight of lag, but it is fine. And finally, for the gamers out there, this is a total game changer. This TV boasts a Game Master with 144Hz variable refresh rate that delivers a silky smooth, tear-free gaming experience with minimal input lag. On top of that, the super wide game view features allows you to change the aspect ratio, giving you an ultra impressive field of view that puts you right inside the action. Plus, the dedicated game bar like this gives you instant access to your game parameters, so you can fine-tune your settings on the fly. So this Diwali, bring home the premium performance and get the amazing Diwali offers available only on the Flipkart. So guys, if you are ready to elevate your viewing experience without compromising on the price, then this product is for you. So that was it from today's video guys. Hope you liked it. If so, then please like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.